Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you all how to download Facebook video from Facebook directly to your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to go straight up to Facebook and go to the search bar, search for any video you want to download, or if you've seen the video or you've saved that video before, just go to that video or post. So for now I'll find a particular video to download, and this second video right here is one I'm going to download. Right now what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the video, and this three dot icon you are seeing on the right hand side of the screen, I'm going to click on it, and you have to do the same thing and click on this copy link. This copy link that is highlighted on the screen, the last option there, click on it and copy the link of that video. You get a notification that the link has been copied, and go straight up to Chrome. Go straight up to Chrome browser, and let's go to this website called fdown.net. Now we are here on the website fdown.net. I'm going to tap and hold, and until I get this paste icon notification there, I'm going to click on paste, and I'm going to click on download. To download in normal quality or to download in high quality. For the sake of this video, I'm going to download in high quality so you can see how much quality this video downloader can get you. Click on the cancel icon of the ads and it will start downloading.
M3 E36. It has a
So there's a video. This is how to download video from Facebook by just copying the link and pasting into fdown.net. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified anytime I upload tutorial video like these and YouTube tutorials also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.